What are you gonna say? That. Are you ready?
Okay.
I think I do that. Bye.
We do.
That's a burp. Hey, let's see what price is on.
Oh, stop. I'm cringing.
Maybe burp. I bought this little $90 desk. Do it again, go. You're not paying attention. You're not paying attention to what happens.
Noviembre.
¿Como cuáles otras culturas?
Pues para empezar la cultura
For you to listen to this show. Show's canceled, y'all. I apologize, y'all.
I could have went all the way, but I chilled. I got a head start on me. Character. All right, next one.
Oh God.
Right, Bert. Tim is Hey, your boy is over there. Oh my God! Oh my God, I can't do it. Oh shit! It's coming up. Are you serious? We good, bruh. If you Earl, I'm a Earl.
Is it a lot of beer? Give me a second.
Angus. There's sauce on my new hoodie. This is the bacon.
Basically a Hostess cupcake.
Classic. Now gone now, so I can announce the best. And
They have just wrong.
Just because I have a following to do that. You know what I mean?
Can you smell that? Yeah, I'm sick. What's it to you?
That sounds great. His voice is so soothing. How's that for soothing?
You guys are so lovely, and sorry, it had to happen.
We want to bring him down by about half, and then we're gonna. Oh boy. Yeah, let's hit that pectin hard. Oh no! The Red Bull's coming back up.
crushed it. And then I'm the asshole? Come on. You hate language. Not that.
Delicious Did you taste it?
Yeah, I've been loving every minute of it.
What about that?
I don't like that.
Want to be burped?
Yes, please. I appreciate you so much.
I must have.
Work out some kinks. Comment down below. Good, bad.